This video walks you through how to add a payment surcharge in Clio Manage. Once you are already signed in to Clio Manage, begin from the left navigation menu and click Settings. This opens the area where account level billing and payment options are managed. Under Clio Settings, click Billing. When the billing page opens, select the Payment Profiles tab so you are working in the section that controls payment terms for bills connected to each profile. At this point, it is important to note what you will and will not find in the current Clio Manage interface. There is no separate setting labeled Payment Surcharge inside the billing settings. If you are looking for a standalone surcharge option, it is not available here. Instead, payment profiles are where Clio Manage lets you define related billing terms, including a grace period, an early payment discount, and annual interest. To set up an added charge for late payment, stay in Payment Profiles and find the profile you want to update. Click Edit beside that payment profile. This opens the profile settings where the payment terms can be adjusted. Make sure you are editing the correct profile before moving forward, especially if your account uses more than one profile for different matter types or billing arrangements. Inside the profile settings, select Custom Payment Terms. In that section, locate the annual interest fields. These fields are the relevant place for configuring an additional charge that applies when payment is late, since there is not a separate surcharge control in this version of Clio Manage. Enter the interest percentage you want to apply. Then choose the available interest calculation option, such as simple interest or the method shown in your account. After that, specify how often the interest should be charged. The exact choices may vary based on what is available in your profile settings, so use the options shown on screen and match them to the payment terms you intend to apply. Once those fields are filled in, click Update Profile to save the changes. That saves the revised payment terms to the selected payment profile. Keep in mind that updating the profile does not change bills that have already been generated. The updated terms will apply going forward based on how that payment profile is used, but previously created bills will remain as they were when they were issued. If you were expecting a direct payment surcharge switch, this workflow is the closest available path in the current interface, using annual interest within custom payment terms to reflect an added charge for late payment. Thanks for watching. Your Clio Manage payment profile is now updated with custom late payment interest terms.